Introducing the Frizzlife SP99 under sink water filter system, a meticulously designed and certified solution to elevate your water quality. This review explores its exceptional certifications, premium filtration performance, swift water flow, hassle-free installation, and its cost-efficient, eco-friendly design. Discover how this water filter system can enhance your water, your wallet, and your environmental footprint. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Certifications and faucet quality. This water filter system impressively stands out with its comprehensive certifications. It has been rigorously tested and certified by IAMPO against NSF/AISI 42 and 53 standards for material safety, structure integrity, flow rate, and filtration effectiveness. This ensures peace of mind in terms of water quality. Additionally, the package includes a lead-free faucet with a brushed nickel finish, adding an elegant touch to your sink setup. Number 2. Premium filtration performance. One of the standout features of this water filter system is its exceptional filtration accuracy. With a 0.5 mm purification accuracy, it surpasses many other brands by almost 10 times. The compound filter cartridges consist of over 6 layers of filtration materials, effectively reducing lead, chlorine, taste, and odor, and particulates while leaving beneficial minerals intact. This guarantees not only safe, but also great tasting water. Number 3. Fast water flow and easy DIY installation. This water filter system ensures a strong water flow, delivering a cup of pure water in just 3 seconds. What's more, installation is a breeze and can be done entirely by yourself within 15 minutes. Comprehensive video instructions are included, eliminating the need for a plumber. Moreover, this under-sink water filter can simultaneously serve your sink and refrigerator, enhancing its usability with the optional ice maker kit. Number 4. Cost-efficient and environmentally friendly. This water filter system is designed with convenience, cost-effectiveness, and environmental consciousness in mind. When it's time to replace the filters, you won't have to dispose of the entire plastic housing. Instead, you can replace only the core filters inside, reducing waste. This choice not only saves you money, but also contributes to a greener planet. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 15 inches length by 5 inches width by 14 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Comprehensive NSF/AISI certifications for safety and effectiveness. Outstanding 0.5 mm purification accuracy. Multi-layered filtration for lead, chlorine, taste, and odor removal. Fast water flow, delivering pure water in just 3 seconds. 1 reason not to buy. Initial investment cost may be higher compared to some other filters. Conclusion. The Frizzlife SP99 under sink water filter system is a top-notch choice for those seeking a reliable, certified, and efficient water filtration solution. With its premium filtration performance, rapid water flow, easy installation, and eco-friendly design, it not only ensures safe and great-tasting water, but also saves you money and reduces environmental impact. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.